What happens when Suzuki decides to push boundaries like never before? You get the 2026 RMZ 1050, and this machine is absolutely something special. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about Suzuki's bold new creation, the 2026 RMZ 1050. Starting with the design, Suzuki has refined their signature aggressive styling beautifully. The sharp bodywork features improved aerodynamics while maintaining that iconic look we all recognize. Frame geometry has been updated for better rider positioning, and the overall build quality feels premium from every angle. Performance. Now let's talk performance. The 1050cc engine delivers serious power across the entire rev range. Throttle response is smooth yet immediate, offering confidence whether you're navigating technical terrain or opening it up on open stretches. The suspension system has been completely reworked, providing excellent feedback and adjustability for various riding conditions. Technology is where this bike truly stands out. Suzuki has integrated multiple riding modes, allowing you to customize power delivery to your preference. The refined traction control system works seamlessly without ever feeling intrusive. The digital display presents all essential information clearly and intuitively. Overall, the 2026 Suzuki RMZ 1050 represents a major leap forward, combining raw power with smart technology in a package that appeals to experienced riders and newcomers alike. What are your thoughts on this beast? Drop your opinions in the comments below. If this review helped you out, smash that like button and share it with fellow riders. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Next Gen Reviews so you never miss our latest content. See you in the next one.